gesture. The first one is always say please and thank you. Always say please and thank you. Important is important to practice English every day. It's important to practice English every day. Should. You should work harder. You should work harder. Food. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? Mistakes. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Time. Is this your first time in Vietnam? Is this your first time in Vietnam? Enjoy. I really enjoy talking to you. I really enjoy talking to you. Hope. I hope to see you again. I hope to see you again. Outstanding. You're outstanding. You're outstanding. Ear. Clear. Is very important to have clear pronunciation. It's very important to have clear pronunciation. Care. We should all care about the environment. We should all care about the environment. Sure. I'm sure you will enjoy it. I'm sure you will enjoy it. That's all. Thanks for watching.